Hello, my name is Jim Stradinger, and today I'm filming this video to help lifting distributors better understand our platform's potential. After 16 years of being in this industry and with hundreds of distributors using our product, we occasionally hear concerns when introducing ourselves to new opportunities. The first is that RFID tags and readers are too expensive if they're required. This is simply not true. They're not required. We can accommodate traditional serial numbers, barcodes, and RFID. We also can understand your application and make a recommendation based on what would be best for you. The second concern we hear is our clients aren't asking for it. Frankly, your clients don't know what they don't know. I would argue that distributors in the service business are always competing to improve customer loyalty as well as the customer experience. The responsibility is on you, the distributor. You need to innovate. Customers aren't going to tell you what and how to do it. The following questions that I'm going to ask basically will hopefully lead to a better understanding of the scope of our value proposition. You will achieve greater efficiencies with our systems within your four walls to justify this expense, let alone the benefit that your clients receive when having access to the platform. The first question is, do your customers drop off rigging gear for inspections, testing, or repairs? Or does your team do this work out in the field? Do you use paper forms to record inspection results? How do you manage errors on these forms? When a job is complete, what's your process for summarizing and presenting this data and the results to the client? What is involved in quoting repairs on maybe slings that come in that need to be repaired? Do you digitally certify rigging and then recertify it on a regular interval? Do you perform mobile testing? Do you inspect or repair below the hook gear? How do you notify clients of upcoming inspections and test schedules? Do you resell products that require ongoing off-site maintenance? Do you offer rigging or crane training to your clients? Do you have a method for tracking certifications for your own personnel? As a rigging supplier, do your customers ever ask the question, I don't know if I believe this result for this inspection? Do your customers ask you to manage maybe rigging boxes possibly in the field? Do you offer rentals? Do you inspect, test, and maintain assets other than below the hook gear? Has a customer ever had a failure and required immediate documentation? Do you struggle to identify rigging in the field? Do your customers have any struggles with identifying rigging in the field? How do you inspect, maintain equipment in your shop? Do you have equipment that needs to be calibrated outside of your four walls? And what are your steps to validate that your customers are actually ordering the right product? And lastly, do your customers ask why they should pay you more for your products and your safety services? If you answered yes to a handful or all of these, please call our Houston office at 832-664-7700 to discover how hundreds of distributors leverage our platform to win business and to drive operational efficiencies. Thanks for your time.